My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 BMW 1 Series. This is the M Sport Edition. It has done just under 76,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of the steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, radio, telephone and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as 4 different driving modes to choose from, starting with Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.